So this is my prayer for the church, rather the outcalled of God, that they will begin to perceive and understand that the context of coming into the wedding feasts, the parabolic wedding feasts, is what we're reading here in Hebrews 1:7, right? This is the making of angels as officiators in the figure of flames of fire. When one comes into the wedding feasts, they will be made into an officiating spirit, Hebrews 1:14. And then they are dispatched into the service because of others who are about to law accordingly allot safeguarding, who have not yet come into the wedding feasts, which there are 3 orders to coming into the wedding feasts, corresponding to the 3 invitations to come into the wedding feasts, according to the parable in Matthew chapter 22.